Hello everyone, this video is to show how you can disconnect a GoHighLevel account. So you're going to want to sign in here with your IDX Broker API key if you're not sure where to get that. Okay, and we log in and we want to disconnect GoHighLevel. So we will go to apps. Okay, so we will want to go to the advanced settings for lead connector. Okay, and you will see it here. That's the very first option. It says integrate with HighLevel, and there's an option to remove the existing connections. So I'll click on this. Are you sure you want to remove this connection? This action will stop displaying the data associated with this integration, contacts, forms, leads, etc. Leads will no longer be sent automatically to your sub account. You can always reconnect to the same or another GoHighLevel sub account. Okay, and done. So if we go to the lead connector dashboard, it should come up the wizard all over again to get started from zero. So connect HighLevel so that you can start that connection process all over again. This is a good option if, for example, you connected the wrong sub account, or if the system is like presenting errors and nothing is refreshing or updating. You can remove the connection and install the connection again. Or even if you just feel like you got lost and you would like to start again. This is the way to disconnect and reconnect the HighLevel account to IDX add-ons. Thank you.